much the home screen of the application. You have the image to image generation. As you can see here, just upload the image here. They do give you an example of how the image should be generated. As well, this is pretty much where you enter your prompt. And yes, so it does cost $1 to generate a video. And later on in the video, you're going to see why that's important. So here, over here, the image to video generation. All you have to do is upload your image, and it will pretty much animate that image for you, whether it to be 5-second or a 10-second video. So you're going to need subscription to be able to access the 10-second option. So that's really pretty much it for that. There you have the try on close option here. You just upload a full body image of yourself and you'll be able to use these features. But these are mostly for females, as you can see here. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And as well, you have different templates which you can use as well. You have a lot of templates which you can use. All you have to do is just select whichever templates you want to use. You have these effects here. You can tap on this option here. And let's say you want to try this option here. You just tap on generate, upload your image, and it will pretty much give you results like these. So very simple. And as well, you can tap on this option here to pretty much see all the images and videos generated. And you do have up to 3 days before it's completely removed. So that's really pretty much it for that. Also, you have the face swap option. You can pretty much swap the face of any one of these templates here. As you can see, a lot of templates. You can swipe across and see a lot of templates as well. And yes, so all I have to do is just select whichever one of these options here you want to do a face swap for. Let's say, for example, this one here. You just select this option here and tap on the swap option. Just upload your image. So tap on this first before uploading the image. Tap on this second here. Once you have tapped on the plus icon, it will give you how you should upload or take a picture to pretty much give the application. So either you're gonna take a picture right now, or you're gonna select one that you have already taken. It's all up to you. Once you've done that, it will pretty much do the face swap for you, and you're pretty much good to go. So that's really pretty much it for that section. Now the DIY section here, where you pretty much upload templates and you do get free gems. So these gems are used to generate videos. So do keep that in mind as well. So in the chat section, this is pretty much you speaking with a AI chatbot. As you can see, you have popular movie characters as well. As you can see Loki here. You have the anime section as well, not just the movie section there. As you can see here, a lot of them. So all you have to do is just tap on whichever one you want to speak with. Let's say, for example, this lady here, and I can just send a message. Do keep in mind, I do not have a subscription, so I may need to get a subscription, but you do get 5 messages for free. So to get your coins, you're gonna need coins to unlock some of these. You just tap on the coin icon at the top here, and as well you can see the coins, how much coins you have, and how much coins you need to purchase and the prices for each coins. So over here you have the diamond section, which is used to generate videos and images. You can see here how much diamonds you can purchase and how much for any diamonds. As you can see here, you can tap on this option here to pretty much get a different subscription which unlocks VIP templates and other face swap templates which you can use and have access to other VIP subscription. So the subscription is pretty much different from the coins itself. So do keep that in mind as well, guys. So that's pretty much it for the application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I will see if it can help you out. And see you in the next one.